Hi YouTubers, and welcome back. This is Detecting Dorset with Leigh. I'm on a different field in the same area as the hammies, but the horse is in there at the moment, so the electric fence is going to pose me problems, so I've moved to where the horse was, funnily enough. I just got my first find. Took me ages to find it. It's a tiny little button. Okay, welcome back. Here's my next find. Rather a nice buckle. It's got the tang, part of the tang still there. Excellent. Well, on to the next. Hello, welcome back. Here's my next find. I think it's pewter. Not entirely sure what it is, whether it's a leg off of something or whether it's a fragment of a spoon or what it is. Ours is on a postcard too. Anyone got any ideas? Okay, all welcome back. About 6 inches down, I found another target. It's rather a nice button. Still got the shank on there as well. Anyone could put a date on that for me? My guess is medieval. When am I ever right? Oh, there we go. Not long to wait for the next one. It looks like I may have got a coin. It looks like I caught it on the edge. Was it a coin or is it a... I don't know. It's very thin and it's copper or brass. I'll give that a clean up when we get back. Okay, my next one. The next is about 6 inches again. Looks like another button. Yeah, it looks like this one may have had some gold gilding on it. Oh, definitely. Fabulous. Okay, on to the next. I'm going to try a live dig on this one. Picking up. It's something very small, so I'll give it a dig and we'll get, well, I'll try a live dig. There we go. See if I can do this holding the camera and the metal detector and digging at the same time. That would be rubbish. Okay, see where we are. Well, it sounds like we're in the plot, which is good. Oh, that's a stone. Right, let's get a pinpointer, see if we can find it. I might have to do this the old-fashioned way, by the looks of it. Okay. Do some coil waving of soil over the coil. Okay, so it's in there. Oh, where have you gone? Yeah, it was rubbish. Tiny little bit of lead. Oh, live digs never do work. Oh well, on to the next. Okay, welcome back. Here's my next find. Now, is it a coin or is it a button? Ah, it's a coin. I can see nothing on it yet. There's the can. It's got Britannia on the back. I'll have to wait till I get it cleaned up. Well, it's a George anyway. See his moustache. Okay, hello boys and girls, and my next find. Looks like another buckle. A little tiny one. They're coming out in very good nick here. It's a bit of an odd sight. It's behind a church, and these soils got lots of rubble in it. I'm finding lots of bits of tiny shredded brass. That's quite nice. If anyone can date that for me or tell me what it's off of. You see, it's my forefinger, so it's only a little buckle. Okay, well, I'll see on the way back to the car to go to a different site, and I found another buckle. If that's what they call a spectacle buckle, or what it is. Still, nice neck. Super. I'll see you at the next find. I don't know what it is. Looks like it's bronze dipped in something. Looks like a trade weight. We'll give it a clean up. Anyone got any ideas? Let me know. It's heavy. Okay. Oh yeah, welcome back. It's another spectacle buckle. Rather nice. Focus. Focus. There we go. So, yeah. Nice. I did also find, I can find them now, some 303 bullets in a clip. Not sure if they're in a clip or whether that's a Bren. I think it's a clip, but see what we can do with those, see if I can get something off the head later. There we go. Okay. This is the kind of thing that gets you going. See that there? See? It's a button. Boy, do they get you going when you see the edge of them. They give you a signal just like a small silver hammer as well. Still, a nice find. Very nice neck as well. Okay, on to the next find. Still down in the hole. Oh, what is that? Well, can't see anything on it. We'll give it a clean up and we'll show you at the roundup. Okay, on to the next. Hi YouTubers, and welcome to the roundup. I went to a different field today because the horsey was in the field that I normally do. So I went to the horsey field. Quite a successful hunt. There's one here for you military guys. These appear to be 303, but as you can see, they're not in an end clip, which you would have 10 and you would slide them down. These appear to be from a machine gun because they have the clip in the middle, like a joining clip. But as far as I know, 303 or machine guns had fabric belts, but I could be wrong. Someone can clear that up for me. But definitely a machine gun link with 303 1942 on the end. Okay, brass ring. You seem to find these everywhere. Don't know what they're for. This is rather nice. I believe this is a pewter spoon. I think this is pretty old. If anyone wants to give me any feedback about that, that'd be great. My phone's about to ring. Here we go. Nice spoon handle. I'm not sure whether it's pewter or brass. I think it's probably pewter. It's very smooth. Found in two bits, two different digs. Buckles. Some nice buckles today. If I can get it to focus. I think they call them spectacle buckles, not entirely sure. Not sure about this one. It appears to have like two parts to it. There would have been a pin through there, and this bit would have, and there would have been a pin out here, and then you've got that bit there, which I don't know what that was for, but not found one like that before. Another spectacle buckle, and then a really tiny buckle. There we go. Some painted glass, a bit different, and some green glazed pot. Trade weight, I believe, and I think there is a stamp on it somewhere. Can't remember where it is now. There's I believe there's an L there and something there. See with that, or a 7 and a 4 upside down. There appears to be a V there. Okay, so that's upside down, so that will be VT. Okay, don't know if anyone can shed any light on that, but it's that colour on the back. Okay, buttons. Nice decorative button there. Tempted to say it's a dandy button, but I'm not sure. This one's mullered. This one with a bit of gold gild on the back. Nice. A nice pewter one. That's when they always give you a heart attack when you dig them up. They're nice and silver. And this is tiny. I believe this is from a shoe. I could be wrong. Like I say, I'm guesstimating. George halfpenny. I think that's a Vicky penny. Very corroded. Odd bits of graphite. Bit of brass there. Not got a clue what this is. Some stained glass. It's definitely stained glass, it's flat, it's not from a bottle. There's a brass plate or something, nothing written on it. This I think could be from a book. This looks like it's from an engine, a jet, an engine, a carburetor. Huge piece of lead there. I think it's part of something at some point. It's got like a moulding on it, and lots of bits of lead and thin bits of copper. Lots and lots of that. A bit of modern aluminium. Oh, this is quite interesting. Huge piece of hollow lead. I think this must have been in a wall holding something metal. I used to fit the seal in first and then pour molten metal, lead round to hold them fast. Well, that was it for the hunt for today. Like I say, if anyone's got any input to help me out with the bullets, what they may have been from, whether they're from an aeroplane or something, I don't know. And the pewter spoon, some sort of an age on that, if indeed it is a spoon. Some feedback would be great, and the trade weights and the buckles. Help with everything would be nice. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I will be detecting again tomorrow, so there will be another upload. I'll get this one done and on as soon as possible. Hope you enjoy it, and watch my next. Thanks for watching.